Good evening, Patna Sahib Singh Pathsala. I am Dr. Anurag Manna from Anugrah Narayan Magad Medical College, Gaya. Today is 22nd of the September and I am here with a set of 5 questions of Ancient Indian History NCERT textbook from chapter number 10. So let us go through the questions. Question number 1. Balavi, a great center of education, was related to A. Buddhism, B. Jainism, C. Brahmanism, D. Zoroastrianism. Religious texts of which religion has been written in Ardha Magadhi? A. Buddhism, B. Jainism, C. Brahmanism, D. Zoroastrianism. Sauraseni and Marathi languages are related to A. Ardha Magadhi, B. Kannada, C. Prakrit, D. Sanskrit. Question number 4. My son, if a person does not accept a present, what will happen to it? The above statement belongs to A. Gautama Buddha, B. Vardhamana Mahavira, C. Rishabh Dev, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 5. Ashtangika Marga recommended by Gautama Buddha was aimed at A. Elimination of political difficulty, B. Elimination of financial difficulty, C. Elimination of social evils, D. Elimination of human misery. The above questions are from basic textbook itself, and I would once again like to emphasize the true value of these questions. These questions are not just multiple choice questions whose answers you have to memorize. It is a means of developing the basic understanding of the subject, of the topics, and ability to analyze the topics that are included in your syllabus of UPSC Civil Services examination. And these questions are actually a means of preparation for the written test, and therefore whenever you make any mistake, kindly go through the textbook, search the answers from the given chapter. That's why I specifically mention the chapter number every day, and in that process, if this process will go on for next 6 to 7 months, your understanding of the subject will be very clear. You can easily score 45 to 50% marks in your written test, and which will be sufficient for you to make a good civil servant. And for your information, from the 1st of the October I will be also giving 5 questions from the current affair, and I will be also telling you from which source the questions has been generated, so that you can search their correct answers too. Because in civil services examination we get 50% question from the basics and 50% from the current aspects. So but current aspect is also understood on the basis of basics. That's why I had started first the basics, and later on I will be adding current affair questions. And from the month of January I will be teaching you some high value topics, because all topics cannot be taught for a civil services aspirant, and that is not the way to prepare this examination, because you will have to develop your own way of thinking and your own way of understanding, and that will happen only if you read the basic textbook directly from by yourself. Then only you can actually deserve the civil services and finally get a place in the list of finally selected candidates. So good luck, go ahead. Jai Patna Sahib Singh Pathsala, Jai Patna, Jai Bihar, Jai India.